Trash Bucket Challenge Volume 4! Yay! Today is 15th of December. Today, so far, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. 5 people joined. So, we're gonna clean up Waikiki Beach. Are you ready, guys? Yeah. Ready? Yay! Let's go! Let's go to clean the beach!
Kita doing his trash bucket challenge with Waikiki Shore beach service. He's been doing this now, I want to say for it's been about 3 weeks, 2 weeks, something going on a month. He's been doing good, raising awareness, getting people to chip in and do their part. And just want to say my aloha to y'all and
Aloha!
my best of wishes to Akita here. So
Harold.
You're welcome.
You're a great MC.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Hello.
Aloha ahi ahi.
Aloha ahi ahi. It's beautiful sunset.
Sun is ahi ahi.
Sun is ahi ahi.
説明しましょう。アヒとは燃えるっていう意味がある。
Ahi means burn.
アヒアヒ。
So ahi ahi means burn, burn.
でアロハアヒアヒはこんばんは。
こんばんは。
こんばんは。グッドイブニング。夕日が落ちる時に使う挨拶だそうです。
We found the trash, not trash actually. What is that? Lei. We found a lei here.
Ancient Hawaiian used to wear the lei every day. Not only the special occasion, ceremony. They wear the lei every day. That's what I know. Let's throw this away into the ocean. Then wash this out of nature.
It's very important process. Lei went back to ocean. How do you feel now?
Oh, feel so good. My mana, which is the soul of the spirits,
Spiritual power.
spiritual power. Ancient Hawaiian believe that mana. So my mana is growing and burning. I feel so good.
Everyone has a mana.
Actually, my ex-girlfriend name was Mana. How coincidence.
Thank you for joining. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aloha.
Thank you. You're a good guy.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you for helping to be a good partner. Yeah. I also got this beach towel, and now this is mine. Yeah, because I recycle, reuse, and
Even if you come late, every little bit helps.
yeah, every little bit helps. We have a time just to spare this time.
Even 5 minutes,
Yeah,
you can pick up trash.
What is today's your comment?
30th and last week.
How was it today? How did it go?
Very good. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
I saw beautiful sunset, nice breeze, beautiful people picking up trash. How wonderful life is.
Today's trash bucket.
世界のどんな映画より熱いの SUN to the SET Meditate moonlight silent melody Give it up, raise a cup for the sunset And bring it back for the people once again Smooth like a cream soda Keep it my favorite crimson gold sky And make a toast from the coast to the most high And make a toast from the coast to the most high
So if you
Like a
have
cream soda
anyone in your mind whom you want to get involved, just train someone. So, do you have anyone?
I have one person in my mind.
Okay.
He's my math teacher, Justin.
Justin!
Yay!
never met you, but you're the next challenger.
Yeah, because you are so great that you spend your whole Sunday with us studying maths in UH library.
Also, you appreciate him.
Yeah, so I challenge you.
Who will be next challenger?
Saori and Atsuko.
Saori and Atsuko.
My best friend.
Yeah, her best friend. So you guys have to help her because you are best friends. So Saori and Atsuko. Okay. Do you have anyone?
Yes, I have a couple people. I will re-challenge Yuki, re-challenge Haruka,
Yuki, Haruka,
and Chika.
Chika,
Yes, and also my friend Cookie and her sister Katie.
Cookie,
Cookie, yeah.
Cookie,
Friend Cookie.
Cookie and Carrie.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll show them the video so they know the challenge exists.
Okay. So, do you have anyone? Masa?
Yes.
My boss. Who is next?
I know one guy. He's really evil.
Who is that guy?
His name is Muramoto Akira.
Who is that guy? It's me! Masa, my boss, he challenged me. So, I will accept. So now, I have to challenge someone. The guy is more evil. The person, next challenger will be Masahito Sasaki.
髪が明日の下準備するタイトボトンとまな板が聞こえそう今日取れたての経験経験量命がけのスパイスが隠し味煮込んで染み込ます深い味わいあっという間毎分毎秒振り返ら一瞬そのとのよ思い浮かぶ夕日に場所や顔時間や場面ハローやマハロ国会も一つや二つはもちろんそれで引き立つ今宵のごちそう Like a cream soda 気分は爽快 Crimson gold sky And make a toast from the coast to the most high And make a toast from the coast to the most high Smooth Like a cream soda 気分は爽快 Crimson gold sky 左右にスイングしてヒットして場外 It was a good day encore もう一回